Hello! This video is about the 4 things you need to do with your landscaping when selling your home. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure that the property is clean. That first approach when you drive up to a home is key, and even if you can't put a lot of money into your property, of course, having it clean at least makes it a clean slate for the potential homeowner that's looking at your property. Well, at least, hey, can picture what they want to see there. And if it's really cluttered or messy or just dirty in any way, it makes it a lot tougher for the potential homeowner when they're, making the first impression before they look at the interior of the home. Now, the second thing is, if you have any money, putting some investment in the front yard is always great. Anything with flowers, new trees, plants or shrubs that flourish real well. Of course, annuals are great. However, they do require water. If you don't have a good system put in, or if you don't have annuals already at your property, they can be a little tougher to install the first time. But of course, they make a great pop and a beautiful first impression when you are walking up to the home. The third thing is just making sure the water is running properly. Now, if there's any water issues, or if there's problems with the timer, or if there's a valve that doesn't work, it's going to get inspected, of course, and you're going to have to fix it anyway. Rather have your contractor fix it instead of it delaying your home sale in escrow at all. And the last and final thing, of course, is increase the water. Selling your home is only going to be a process of hopefully a month or two. You can make it go quick, and increasing the water, even doubling if you have to really make things look great until the home sells. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Check out our site at azlawns.com.